Hello and welcome to my new series where I'll be showing you how to make your own gym equipment for cheap. This is the first episode and this is on this dipper belt. It's very simple to make, as you can see. You take one end and you tie a bowline knot and a carabiner, and on the other end you make a row of alpine butterfly knots, as you can see. I will show you how to tie each one, don't worry about it. But how it works, at the end of the day, you just put it around your waist, see, and then just put it into one hole to see how tight it should be, like this, and you put the weight here through it. Then it just hangs there and you can do whatever you need. Okay. So, for the bowline knot, you do a twist like this. So you can see it goes below, then up. You take it, you run it through here, under here, and back through here. Tie it. This is very strong knot and it's easy to untie and easy to tie. If you put it like this, it will never come undone. And just this, and you can easily remove it. That is for that part of the rope. Now I will show you the alpine butterfly. So, to continue, the alpine butterfly knot. Wrap it around 3 times, go below with the middle one, and around both of the others. Make sure the ropes stay in place, pull it through, easy. And now, as you can see, this is very easy and a very strong knot. If you want different, just tie a lot of them around. You can tie small ones like this. If you want, but this is pretty tricky, so I don't recommend it. Just tie a few around the entire rope, you know. And that is really all you need to know about this deep rope. You can tie several, then you put a carabiner here. Now this is just a test rope for me to show you the knots. I'm not making a new one, so this should be on different sides, of course, but you get the idea.